Welcome back. Let's do question 5.3. Determine the coordinates of A. Let's go through the information. The graphs of g of x is equal to 2x plus 6, and the inverse of g are shown in the diagram below. D and B are the x and y intercepts respectively of g. D is the x-intercept, B is the y-intercept. We got that the coordinates of B are 0, 6 in the previous question. C is the x-intercept of the inverse of G. This is C there. The graphs of G and the inverse of G intersect at A. So A is the point of intersection. A is the point of intersection. So at the point of intersection, these two functions are equal. So meaning that G of x is equal to the inverse of G of x. Right, we got the equation of the inverse of G in question 5.2. Got that is 1 over 2x minus 3. We have the equation of G, which is this one here. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 1 over 2x minus 3. Okay, we can do things differently here. Can collect like terms. Okay, the other thing we can do is just multiply everything by 2. Multiply by 2. So this times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. So it becomes 4x plus 12 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. We remain with x minus 6. Then we can collect like terms. 4x minus x, that is 3x. And then negative 6 minus 12, that is negative 18. Then we divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to negative 6. Right, but we want the coordinates, not just the x coordinate. So we can substitute our negative 6 into g of x there to get the y coordinate. So y is equal to 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12. This is negative 12 plus 6, which is equal to negative 6. So the coordinates of A are negative 6, negative 6.